Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Defy and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. On the third position from the left, so almost in the middle, we've got the timer option. As you can see, it is currently crossed out. I mean, this clock icon is crossed out, which means that the timer is off. So your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. If you'd like to set the timer, nothing easier, just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got two more options to choose from. So we've got 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay. As you can see, the icon changed slightly. So after tapping on the shutter button, your device will simply count down from 10. And after that time, it will take a photo. Alright, the same situation with the 3 seconds delay. Just right now it is counting down from 3. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on timer off. And since this option is crossed out, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.